welcome to Crack Academy. My name is Lala Ignatius. Today we are going to discuss about India's international relations and its various foreign policy perspectives. So IR is a separate topic, like a subject like history or polity or economy or whatever it may be. At least minimum 5 questions in preliminary and maximum 11 to 12. And apart from that, if you can able to see in the mains examination paper 2 GS and 9th and 10th question and 19th and 20th. So in this area you can able to find questions related to international relations. Other than that, you can also able to see some questions rarely once in 2-3 years once in world geography, the things related to the controversial part like South China Sea already asked by UPSC 2 years before. So like this manner, there may be a possibility in paper 3 also that in India's economic interaction with outside world in terms of WTO or in terms of World Intellectual Property Organization or in terms of the controversy regarding trade and business and other various economical perspective also be there in paper 3. So, and one question, obviously it will be there in your essay paper. So this is the way the IR as a subject, it is not only going to help in mains but also in preliminary as well as in interview. 25% of the questions nowadays on the basis of the idea of international relations. Okay, so this is the case. So while I am handling this subject like international relations, it is a very necessary point. Generally students will ask to me, that's which source and how to manage, because in newspaper a lot of things are happening. We are having 194 official countries of UN. So every country want to engage with the country like India on the basis of its own importance in the modern world. Or you can able to find one separate paper in newspaper, one page in newspaper related to international relations. And each and every day it's coming in newspapers or in other various sources. So when you are looking into those kind of ideas, so students will also ask what is the source, how to manage, and IR is a very vast area in terms of a preliminary point of view or in mains point of view or in essay paper also separately one question 125 mark will be available in each and every year from the area of international relations. So when a question like this comes in your mind, it is always better to solve that before going to enter into the subject. So when I am looking into these kind of questions, that the answer is in a very simple manner. Already UPSC asked this question in different direction. What is India's foreign policy perspective? On the basis of the idea of that question, students can also able to understand about the idea of how to manage your international relations, how to prepare your preliminary, especially in terms of IR, how to manage your interview and essay. So now I am going to the topic.